Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install ESET Internet Security on Windows PC for 30 days free trial, and how to activate it with a license key for 1 year. Go to Google and simply type ESET. Click on the website link www.eset.com. Click on Home and move cursor down to PC. Click on ESET Internet Security. A new page will be opened. Scroll down. Click on Download Free 30-Day Trial. Another page will be displayed, and now click on Download for Windows. Now an installer file will be downloaded. Go to Download folder. Double-click on Installer file. If this window showed, click on Install anyway. Now complete installation step by step. Continue. Click on I accept. If any other internet security already installed in your PC, uninstall or stop that. If this window showed, just click on Ignore button. Now ESET Internet Security is downloading. If you have purchased licensed key, you can activate here or later. I am choosing free trial. Now inserting my email address. Tick on Agreement and activate. Continue. Here, two features I am enabling both. Continue. Here, another feature I am not accepting. It's just your choice. Now click on Install. We have installed the software successfully for 30 days free trial. There are parental control and anti-theft features you can enable. I am ignoring now. Here you can buy license key, and here you can activate full product with a license key. Here update options, and it will be updated automatically when you are on network. Here the computer scan options, where you can scan your full system or specific folder or file. Now we will activate the software for 1 year. With the purchased license key, click on Activate Full Product. You can purchase license key from any real software store in your area, or you can purchase here also with a credit card. I am entering here my purchased license key. Continue. Here, input first and last name and email address. Tick on Agreement. Activate. Again click on Activate. Now our license activation is successful, and we got 1 year validity. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like to see more tutorials, just subscribe my channel. If this video is useful to you, you can like and share.